Hey y'all, I'm Morgan from charlestoncrafted.com, and today I'm going to show you how to stain wood using coffee and tea. I'm going to take it from boring old pine to just a slightly more rustic, aged look. It's not a dark stain, but it is a way to give wood a little bit of color. Coffee and tea are great to use as a stain because they are non-toxic. They are food safe. It makes them really great for things that might go in little kids' mouth. So let's take a look at how easy this process is. So I'm going to be staining two different things with two different stains for you today. One, I just have a piece of pine that I've sanded so the surface is ready to absorb the stain. And then I also have some little unfinished wooden toys. I just ordered these on Amazon. These are little peg dolls. I like painting these, staining these. I recently did a video and a post where I dyed them with food coloring, so you can check those out. So I'm going to use two different methods on these two different pieces of wood. So the first thing I did is I brewed coffee and tea, and we have a K-Cup Keurig machine. So this is coffee. This is a black tea. It's just the tea that I drink. It's Tazo brand, but it is black tea. And I brewed the smallest cup on my K-Cup machine. We use the refillable Keurig cup. For coffee, we use a dark roast coffee, a black tea, and I made the smallest cup and I let it cool completely. I left about half in the cup and poured the rest into Ziploc baggies, and you definitely want to make sure that your coffee and tea are totally room temperature and cool before you put them in the baggie, or else you'll melt the bag. So let's see how easy this is. I am just going to take the coffee and a foam paintbrush, really cheap from the craft store. And I'm going to paint it on like this. I'm going to be kind of thick and generous with it. Then I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to do the same with the tea. Nice thick, generous coat. Alright, and then for my little pegs, super easy. It's like the easiest thing if you have little small toys. Just drop them in this Ziploc. Shake them so they get coated. Repeat it with the coffee, that was tea. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. And every 5 minutes, I'm going to pull one of these guys out and I'm going to add another coat on my wood, so we can see how it turns out. So see you in 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes have passed. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out half of my guys and put another coat on. So I'll pull out one tea guy. Take these. And remember what I say, you just want to kind of shake them to get them evenly coated. I'm going to put another coat on my tea stain. Alright, and I'm going to pull out a coffee man or lady. I'm not sure about these curvy peg dolls. I guess they're supposed to be ladies. There's some with skirts too, so a little mysterious. I just ordered them on Amazon, like I said, in a big pack. And then paint another coat of coffee on here. And you can see if you get it on the end grain really takes the stain darkly. And that's just how end grains are. If you don't want it to be like that, you should sand your end grain way more than you sand the rest of everything else. All right, I'm going to let this sit for 5 more minutes and repeat. I hope that this video showed you how really easy it is to dye wood using coffee or tea. It is a great way to give just a natural light color, but a little bit of interest to wooden toys or projects in your life. Good luck doing your projects, and be sure to tag us at Charleston Crafted if you do a coffee or tea stain on your own. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe.